There's no party without the proper speaker from AliExpress. T9 Pro King, 250 watt pure power. On the back we do have microphone, RST, USB, that's for the SIM card I guess, AUX and DC power. There's also, let's see, oh yeah, there's a battery included, and on the battery it says, oh, that's a big chunky battery. Take a zoom for you. Pause the video if you want to read it. Satisfaction. On the side we do have a rubber feet, on the front screen and the sign, and at the bottom also rubber prop. On the top lights, microphone, bass, mute, echo, powering, power, plus and minus. Wow, such a powerful sound. This device is not that big, but it's really heavy. The huge advantage is a removable battery. Find me a speaker which have that. This is, well, huge advantage. The sound itself, loud and clean. No distortions, even in the maximum volume. And you see, most of the party speakers have overwhelming bass, which is not that great. This isn't. This is a clean separation between bass, lows and highs. Okay, the bass is a little bit on the front, but it's a party speaker. Also, a fantastic visual light thing. You can power two of them with a special Bluetooth button. It's not the normal connection, it's a high bit connection, that X button to power more, maybe even four of them if you wanted to. Battery, I've used it for a whole day and I still have full battery, so it's great. My ears are still ringing. Party speaker on AliExpress, link in the description. See you next video, bye.